Hey guys, it's Saga from TechWorks. After my video about the Redmi 5 Plus, the next most requested video from you guys is its comparison with Xiaomi's Mi A1. So here it is. These two phones might look different from each other, but on the inside, they are mostly alike. Let us first have an overview of the specs which are similar on both these phones, and then we will take a look at their differences. But before we get to that, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the amazing videos coming up on this channel. Both the phones have Snapdragon 625 processor and Adreno 506 GPU to keep running everything smoothly. Mi A1 comes in only one variant which has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. Redmi 5 Plus comes in two variants. One has 3GB of RAM and 32GB of built-in storage, and the other one has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of built-in storage. You can add a microSD card to expand storage on both these phones. The SIM card tray on both can either carry 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM card and a microSD card. You will find all the necessary sensors like accelerometer, gyroscope, compass sensor, proximity sensor, and ambient light sensor on both these phones. They also have notification LED and IR blaster at the top if you want to control your home appliances with your smartphone. Kudos to Xiaomi for not skipping on any of these sensors on their budget devices like some of the other manufacturers do. Both still retain the 3.5mm audio jack, and the actual output from this port is also really good. Both have single downward firing speaker and can get loud enough for smartphones of this price range. Here is a quick sound test between both these speakers. While both sound good, I think the 5 Plus is a bit better and has slightly more depth to it. Which one do you think sounds better? Let me know in the comments. Both have fingerprint sensors on their back and they are very accurate. One on the Redmi 5 Plus is a tad bit faster to unlock the phone. That on the A1 is also fast, but there is a small delay between when you touch the sensor and when the phone unlocks. On the Redmi 5 Plus, it is almost instantaneous. These have been the things that are similar on both these phones. So if these are the features that you value the most, you can pick up any of these phones and you will be happy with the choice that you make. Now let us take a look at what differentiates these phones from each other. A1 is available at 13,999 rupees for the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant. Redmi 5 Plus is available at 9,999 rupees for 3GB RAM and 32GB storage variant, and 11,999 rupees for 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant. One of the first things that you might notice about the Redmi 5 Plus is the 5.99-inch Full HD display with 18:9 aspect ratio and smaller bezels at the top and bottom. Mi A1 on the other hand has a 5.5-inch Full HD display with a traditional 16:9 aspect ratio and big bezels all around. The bigger display on the Redmi 5 Plus is better than that of the A1 in terms of color reproduction. It also looks sharper and it also gets much brighter than the A1, so it looks better while viewing in outdoor conditions. This bigger display on the 5 Plus is great for watching videos and playing games. If you want a bigger, better display and 18:9 aspect ratio, then Redmi 5 Plus is a clear winner. Both the phones have metal back. A1 has a unibody aluminium back with antenna bands running around the top and bottom edge. Redmi 5 Plus has aluminium back, but the top and bottom pieces are made of plastic, just like we had on the Redmi Note 4. In fact, the overall design of the Redmi 5 Plus is very similar to that of the Redmi Note 4. On the left side, both have SIM card trays. Volume and power buttons are on the right. At the top, both have IR blaster, and the 5 Plus also has a 3.5mm audio jack here. At the bottom, both have speaker grill and microphone. A1 also has its 3.5mm audio jack here, and it has a USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. You get micro USB port for charging and data transfer on the Redmi 5 Plus, which is a bit disappointing. It's 2018, and I think all smartphones from this point forward should come with USB Type-C port. Both phones fit and feel good in the hand, but I personally prefer the taller form factor that the Redmi 5 Plus has thanks to the 18:9 display. You have capacitive backlit navigation buttons on the Mi A1, while the 5 Plus only has on-screen navigation buttons. There is space on the bottom bezel of the 5 Plus, so if Xiaomi wanted, they could have put capacitive navigation buttons there. But I am not complaining, as there is plenty of screen real estate even after having on-screen navigation buttons. Things are a bit different on the software side as well. Mi A1 is an Android One device, which means it is running almost stock Android, and it also brings a promise of faster software updates. We have already received Android Oreo update on the Mi A1, which is really nice. Redmi 5 Plus is running MIUI 9.2 on top of Android 7.1.2. MIUI 9 is really fast and snappy. Since both the phones have exact same internals, the overall day-to-day performance is also the same. They can run most of the applications and games that you throw at it without any lag or showing any signs of heating. Coming to the cameras, Mi A1 has dual 12-megapixel cameras. First one has a 26mm lens and f2.2 aperture, while the second camera has a 50mm lens and f2.6 aperture. The secondary camera lets you shoot awesome portrait shots like these. Redmi 5 Plus has a single 12-megapixel camera with f2.2 aperture. You cannot take portrait shots with this one, but the overall photos look good for the phone of this price. Comparing the images from both these phones, you will get pretty similar results since the primary camera is same on both. I think colors and HDR images are slightly better from the Redmi 5 Plus, but the difference is not easily noticeable. The 5-megapixel front-facing cameras are pretty average on both these devices. 5 Plus comes with a front-facing flash, so it has a small advantage when it comes to low-light selfies. If you are looking for a smartphone with a better camera, I would suggest you to go with the Mi A1 because of its ability to shoot portrait mode images. Mi A1 packs in 3080 mAh battery, but the Redmi 5 Plus has a mammoth 4000 mAh battery. Both are non-removable. A1 charges via USB Type-C port, while the 5 Plus comes with a traditional micro USB port for charging. Even with the bigger display, 5 Plus can last much longer than the A1 on a single charge. If you are a light to moderate user, 5 Plus can even last you for 2 full days. A1 was supposed to have fast charging, and Xiaomi unlocked it on one of their software updates. But in the very next update, they disabled this feature and now it charges at a normal pace no matter how fast your charger is. Redmi 5 Plus supports fast charging and you can fully charge it in just over 2 hours. If you want a bigger battery and want your phone to last for more than a day, then get the Redmi 5 Plus. So with all of these similarities and differences, both of these phones look like good options. If you want stock Android experience, faster software updates and better camera, then go with the Mi A1. But if you want a phone with a bigger display and modern looking 18:9 aspect ratio, bigger battery, and if you prefer MIUI over stock Android, then go with the Redmi 5 Plus. Which one would you end up getting? Let me know in the comments. Links to buy both these phones is in the description section, so make sure you check that out. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to the channel for more quality tech videos like this. You can also check out some of the other videos from this channel. This has been Sagar, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.